It's awesome. It's totally awesome. Today's a bittersweet day though because we're having to close it, and we all stood in the window, and it's so beautiful. It's almost sad that it has to go to bed, so to speak, but we're so excited for next spring, definitely, to enjoy it. It's perfect. I mean, everything about it is perfect.
And she made a household announcement today that everyone gets your last look because the pool is closing.
As far as the details, they're over the top. I mean, I wouldn't have guessed, you know, with the landscape and the lighting and the rocks and the pizza oven and just the way it's all come together. It's picture perfect in the little details. The windows that he just put up, the gates, the embellishments, I guess. I mean, the pool is one thing. It's completely awesome, 100% functional, exactly the way we wanted it. But on top of that, it's also a work of art. I mean, there's the pool, and then there's like this whole backdrop that makes the pool even better.
Cooler, yep.
Yep.
You did a really good job with the lights. We're very pleased. That was one of the last items that we definitely didn't talk through, other than Al said, don't worry about it, it's going to look great. And of course, we believe him because it's what he's done for everything else, and it does. The lighting looks awesome, and we actually enjoyed it last night. It's getting dark now, very early, and so you can tell with the lighting right away when you get home from work, basically now. So yeah, absolutely needed. In fact, there was a number of times where we were, you know, having parties back there before the lights were in, and you know, we had the lights that are attached to the house on, and it looked really dorky because it's just not floodlights, but they're just big lights, and it didn't seem right. So all the lights around it now, which are much smaller, give it a great like nighttime effect. Definitely.
Totally agree, 100%. Yep, and they're functional too. There's enough light to see by, so you can eat, you can walk. Nobody trips and falls before the lights. Somebody did fall down the stairs, but now that we have lights, nobody's gonna fall down the stairs.
Yeah.
No, love the pool. Love Al. It is sad. I mean, we know that his days are numbered, and I tease that he just comes by like to drop off the pool cover. You know, he just wants to see us. I know he does, but we're gonna miss him.
Or the pool.
You think? Okay, that was us.
Sorry.
But we're gonna miss Al a lot, and I know he'll be back. He said he's gonna randomly show up in our backyard. He made that very clear. He said we won't expect it. I don't want to scare anybody away. He's gonna show up randomly in a good way.
Right.
Just to
stop by, use the front door.
to see his piece of work and keep it going. So we're really excited about that too.
Yeah, and I think we're getting to the point where Penny's gonna take her toy with her. I think it's almost there. I asked Al yesterday, and he said, no, I'll be back today.
See, he'll never.
To put the cover on, but I think she's gonna be traveling with her toy soon. So, but he made her leave it yesterday.